How to find your trust wallet address. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this tutorial, I'll show you where your trust wallet receiving address is located. First of all, open up the Trust Wallet application or extension on your device and go to your wallet. Once you're inside your wallet, click on the asset you want to receive. After you do that, on the next page, click the Receive button from the bottom. Make sure that you've backed up your secret phrases. If you've not done that yet, click on Backup Your Secret Phrase and write down your secret phrase in the correct order in a secure location. Now you'll see your QR code and the wallet address displayed at the bottom. Before sharing the address, check that you are using the correct cryptocurrency and network. If someone is sending you crypto, sending it through an incompatible network can cause problems. Once you are inside this page, copy your receiving address and share it to anyone you are receiving funds from. And that's how you can locate your receiving address in Trust Wallet. Always double check the asset and network before receiving cryptocurrency, and keep your secret phrase completely private. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.